My rural roots remind me every day as to why I got into this. How can I be part of making access to green space available for people of color equitably? I grew up in a very rural area that was surrounded by pine forest. One of the main economic factors or drivers in my small town was a plywood plant, a sawmill. And so as I grew up in this rural town and a very avid 4-H'er, I looked for the connection to the business of forestry, the land ownership, and the private hunting clubs, for example, that did not exist in the Black community. My focus was always on the business side and how could the Black community be closer to land ownership. And so I sit here in the U.S. Forest Service where I know that demographic-wise on diversity, Black women are less than 2% of this 30,000 employee organization. And so my voice is a voice that is perhaps, it shows up less in rooms, but I also believe that representation matters. And so I don't hesitate to put my values in the room. And that's the question I continue to press on my colleagues who are experts and who are trained in this space. Let's not just focus on where there are trees. Let's think about the possibilities and reimagine the forest that doesn't exist, the forested spaces.